welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kushi, and guys, in today's video is going to be a little bit of a story time on how I get out of my comfort zone. And yes, let's get started. So basically, also this video is on something I usually got asked many times, be it from my friends, be it from my family members, be it my siblings, be it my subscribers. The question they have asked me many times that why do I make my YouTube videos in English? Because knowing the fact that English is not even my first language too, so why do I make videos on English? And the truth is that I'm going to talk about that I am not good at English, and I am not fluent, I'm not confident enough to talk in it. I'm so sorry. You guys will find me out wiping out my sweat in the whole video because my fan is off right now. So I was saying ki I have never been fluent in English. Even I'm not perfect too. Even I don't know many words that you guys even know about the meaning of. And many times this happened. I forgot the words. I forgot the sentences. I take, retake multiple times so that I could record it again, because yes, this is who I am. But I still choose to do it for my own self, because there is a long story behind it. I'm going. So few years ago, I realized that staying in my comfort zone has holding me back from my growth and from so many things. Like, it was delaying my success. It was also creating things, delaying or cap things, delaying that I could have achieved earlier. And many times I have hold me back just because I have this thought in my mind that I'm not good at English. So why would I have to talk about it? But then one day I realized this that thing basically. One day I have realized this thing that bro, if I would not speak in English, then how am I supposed to improve myself? Like, the language you have never talked about, the language you have never speak, how you are supposed to improve it if you don't practice it, right? And that thing changed my whole perspective. And everything for me, it has changed. So I decided to get out of my comfort zone, and I started recording videos by keeping my camera on in front of me, because I feel like this is the safest way you can feel safe around. Just switch on your camera, start recording your thoughts, start recording every possible thing you want to, you are liking more about it. I started that because though even I was not fluent, I was not confident enough, but still I did that because I wanted to grow so badly. And you know what will happen when you will start doing that is that, first and most important thing, you will get feel very uncomfortable. You will constantly overthink about your appearances, your words, your speech, every possible thing. You would see that one thing that I have realized, that you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. The once you have start, like, you would see that no one is going to stop you from doing that thing. First, I felt very uncomfortable. I was nervous. I was constantly overthinking, even talking about even a single sentence. And I was scared of making so many mistakes. But I keep going, because then I realized that, even you too realize that eventually, that every video you are making is become your practice session. Every mistake you are making becomes a lesson for you, and obviously every upload will be a sign for you that you are pushing yourselves out of your comfort zone, trying to improve yourself on the daily basis. And I feel like this channel is all about it, like, not being perfect, not being figuring out everything all at once, but yes, improving yourself by getting out of a comfort zone little better every day. So yes, if you are someone who genuinely want to improve your English, या फिर कुछ भी हो that you want to excel in your life, I would say just start working on that new skills, create a content around it, because you would love to see yourself how from where you have started to what you have becoming. That journey would be so beautiful. That's what I believe, and I have seen a positive results in my in me basically. Also, I would say ki start doing the things that you have been constantly delaying by giving it a thought that you might make mistakes. Bro, start doing it. You will make mistakes, you will learn from those mistakes, and eventually you would lead yourselves to that position, you would lead yourselves to that person who you always wanted to. Because if you are going to stay in your comfort zone, you are not going to improve by any means.